Want to turn your clutter into cash? Imagine making money from old books, DVDs, and games just collecting dust. Ever wondered why some people thrive in the resale market while others struggle? Picture this, a world where your media collection is a gold mine, waiting to be discovered. Think your old CDs and video games are worthless? Think again. Hidden in your attic could be the next big profit opportunity. Feeling overwhelmed by your media clutter? Here's your chance to change that. Imagine turning a dusty DVD into a shiny dollar. Your old books could be the key to a new income stream. Think about it, how much money are you leaving on the table? Don't let your media gather dust when it could gather cash. Ready to uncover the secret to flipping media for profit? Find out why more people are diving into media reselling. Ever thought about the hidden value of your media collection? This isn't just decluttering, this is a profitable niche. Why waste space when you can make money? Discover how easy it is to start flipping today. All it takes is a little knowledge and a keen eye for value. Imagine the satisfaction of turning clutter into cash. Ready to learn the tricks of successful media resellers? Start small, think big. Your media collection is a gold mine. Don't miss out on this lucrative opportunity. Step by step, we'll show you how to profit from your media. Ready to transform your clutter into cash? Unlock the potential of your old books, CDs, and DVDs. Join the ranks of successful media resellers. Start flipping today and watch your profits grow. Your clutter could be your next big payday. Don't wait, turn your media into money now. Sign up now and start your journey to profitable media reselling.